Hey guys, welcome to my channel at Glow with Ava. For those of you who are new, welcome. For those of you returning, thank you so much. I know I haven't been the best YouTuber in the last month. It's been very busy with moving, my parents coming, I don't know, my birthday, all of that. So now that summer is officially over, I wanted to do a detox routine with you. How to declog, detox, and rejuvenate your skin and make sure it is ready for the fall time. We've all been through a very hot summer of clogged pores and really just stringent skin. So here we are today, and I'm partnering up with Peach and Lily, the go-to place for your Korean K-beauty, founded by the lovely Alicia Yoon. So I'm going to be using their products on how to get your detox on. So let's just get started. I have makeup on currently, so the first things first is going to be using a very gentle cleanser. We always want to use a cleanser that doesn't strip away your skin. So the cleanser I'm using today is this Power Calm cleanser. I know Alicia raves about this, and I've heard really good reviews about this. I actually love how gentle it is, and it doesn't strip away your skin barrier. So let's just go in with this. It's like this really silky gel formula that kind of lathers up into a milky formula. So it's super gentle. As you can see, it lathers up into some kind of a foamy kind of milky formula, and I also use it on my eye area as well. It doesn't irritate that area. Alright, so now that my face is clean, we're going to go in with a declogging mask. So in the summertime, I just had really stubborn clogged pores around my nose area, and that led to more dehydration. And as you can see, I have quite some redness around my cheeks as well. So today's routine is just going to be kind of about detoxifying and then also just clearing up my skin for brighter glowing skin. So the mask that we're going to be using is this pore-proof perfecting clay mask. So clay masks are obviously great for declogging, but I actually don't prefer a lot of clay mask usually because of how drying it is, because after using it for like 2 minutes, it dries up into like some Sahara desert, and it looks like a crack pie on my face. But as you can see, the texture of this mask right now, it's actually just so smooth, plumping, and actually hydrating. This is made out of kaolin clay and bentonite, two superstar ingredients for drying out impurities from your skin, and that's what a lot of clay masks actually have. But on top of that, this has hydrating ingredients such as licorice extract, cherry extract, and also strawberry extract. So that's what gives this pink little colorful texture, but it also, look at that. It is really hydrating, kind of feels like a half hydrating mask instead of just like a clay mask. Alright, there we have it, and the instructions actually say to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, which is crazy for a clay mask because usually I put it on for 5 minutes max. But alright, so I'll be back in 15 minutes and let this plump up and draw out all of those impurities. So I was actually doing a bit different things while masking, and it's actually been like 20 minutes, and look at this. This is not your typical clay mask. It has no hard shell, and actually it is still pretty like plumping and hydrating. So that's this clay mask. But now that's 20 minutes, I'm going to wash it off. Just wanted to show you guys how this washes off. Like really smooth, right? Like that, just lathers off. Okay, so the mask is off, and even compared to when I cleansed my face, the redness in my skin has gone down dramatically. So now let's go in straight to the serum. So this is the OG serum, the glass skin serum, and this is what got me hooked into Peach and Lily, my first ever purchase from them. So this really is what it is. It is the glass skin serum. As you can see, the serum texture is just very clear, just like a glass, and it's made out of ingredients such as peach extract, niacinamide for brightening. Also got East Asian yam, as well as madecassol. So madecassol is an extremely great ingredient for calming, soothing, and just overall curing your skin as well. So if you have any like scars from falling down, madecassol is a really great ingredient for that. And I go in with 2 layers of this, and that kind of acts like my toner and serum as well, just because just look at how amazingly this glides on. It's great for both morning and night for all skin types, and it just gives that kind of great canvas before your makeup or your moisturizer to follow. And I feel like this just gives such a nice like glass skin look that I can easily just kind of like go out with this on a really good skin day. Okay, so while I let the 2 layers of the glass skin serum sink in, that's when I'm going in with the Cold Brew Eye Recovery Balm Stick. This is Peach & Lily's newest launch right now. Days when cold brew isn't just enough, you got your Cold Brew Eye Stick to glide it over under your eyes. And what I love doing is actually putting this in my fridge for that really cooling sensation. And it just really helps to depuff because of how cooling it is, and it just glides on, sinks in really nicely. The main ingredient is vitamin C and antioxidant rich kiwi extract, but it's also got turmeric extract, green tea, as well as caffeine, really for that depuffing. So caffeine in my eye creams is a must and my favorite ingredient for eye creams that I use during the day. So this is perfect for my daytime eye cream stick to just depuff and get rid of my dark circles. So now that the serum is synced in, I'm going in with the Matcha Pudding Moisturizer. That alone just sounds like a heavenly dessert to me. As you can see, the texture really is something that I would actually eat. So this is really the last barrier in your skincare routine to kind of create that really antioxidant rich barrier. Obviously from the ingredient list, you know that this has matcha, so it's got green tea. It's also got lilac extract, niacinamide, which is also great for brightening, and adenosine. So as you can see, it kind of gives a really radiant glow. At the same time, it's like mattifying. So it really wears well under makeup actually, and just sinks in really nicely into the skin. So pairs really well with the glass skin look for an overall really radiant and dewy finish. It's just like putting a nice pudding on your skin that mattifies at the same time. Guys, look at the skin overall. So nice, right? So that is the finished daytime look usually. So, and then on top of that, you would just wear your SPF and makeup. On a good skin day, as I said earlier, I can easily just go out like this with sunscreen on because it just gives a really nice finish. But since we're covering both nighttime and morning routine, and for the nighttime, since the weather is getting really cold and dry, that's when you want to put in an additional protective layer to last you throughout the entire night. So now we're going in with this sleeping mask. This is one of their newest launches as well. It's their overnight sleeping mask. It's different from like the pudding texture because it's got that like whippy feeling as well as a pudding. So I'm not sure really how to describe it, but it does apply on the skin really well. So the main ingredient here is acai berry extract as well as black ginseng extract, and you would never really guess from the color of this that this actually has black ginseng. The black ginseng that they use in this is actually one of the best ginsengs out there that they had to curate and bring on to this mask. So it's a really highly formulated and powerful sleeping mask, and I've used this a couple of times and I just love how it's pillow proof. It just drenches skin, and I actually wake up to really nice glowy skin. Okay, so now let's just lather that into the skin. I have so many great ingredients going on right now. We got some matcha, we got black ginseng, we got acai berry, niacinamide, madecassol. So I just love how Peach & Lily curates their ingredient list into their products, and Alicia really doesn't compromise the production process. And okay, so that is it, guys. I forgot to mention earlier because I was just so excited about doing this routine, but I am going to do a giveaway with all of the products that I have used today for one lucky winner out there. So the rules are below. You can also enter it via my Instagram at glowwithava. So if you don't follow me on Instagram already, I am at glowwithava, where I do a lot of skincare beauty routines on a daily basis and some other fun stuff too. So please go follow me there. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe below, and I will see you guys next, fam.
Bye.